Everyone's looking pretty excited.
You got a sandwich behind there, Budgie? Put that map down.
I know you know what bacon and eggs are, so just give a little, will you?
Do the sun yoga move.
Praying really does work. It's bacon and eggs morning.
That's a good one.
Little retarded kid.
I could see enough of him, that's for sure.
Konichiwa kimono wearers and friends, here's a bit on the Altitude Nozawa hotel and some stuff to do around town. With your room at Altitude Nozawa, you get breakfast. Definitely the most important meal of the day when you're fueling up for the slopes. So there's a lot here about the brekkies they give you. You can check out previous year's vids for more detail on the hotel. I'll leave a link at the end.
Third year back at Nozawa and Altitude Nozawa. Nowhere near as much snow as last year, but probably similar amount of snow to 2 years ago. So still will be good fun. Good fun. 3 years in a row to Nozawa Onsen and Altitude Nozawa, and 3 years in a row we got the same room. That's pretty funny. Although they've changed it up a bit, it's now a triple. We've lost a couch but gained a desk, more drawer space, still no fridge. All good. Bathroom's the same, still no bidet toilet, so got to go downstairs to get the first class luxury. Oh yeah, and the Yamato transport service works a friggin' treat. Definitely a good idea to do that rather than heave your board bag onto Shinkansens and shit like that. It was waiting here for us when we arrived. Bloody brilliant.
First day on the mountain today. We are all pretty excited. Looking forward to some maybe bacon and eggs, some high energy food to get us through the day.
Ham and cheese croissant. Could have been worse. Could have been a croissant and jam, in which case we'd have to take up curling.
Piling on the stickers on the helmet and snowboard, because if you can't board properly, may as well have a few stickers.
Morning number 2, the body's still feeling good, and I got a good feeling about brekky. It's bacon and eggs time. Thank you, O Shinto Buddha God, for these blessings this morning. Mui mui arigato gozaimasu.
It ain't bacon and eggs, but it's damn close enough.
Nozawa is pretty small, easy to explore on foot, so get out there. Oh yeah, the hotel has a dry room and lockers for your gear, and you get Netflix in your rooms. A big thanks to Klebe and the staff at Altitude Nozawa. They work damn hard to make your holiday great.
I love it. I'm golden and a snapper.
It's morning number 3, O Shinto Lord, and I still got a hankering for some bacon and eggs. Amen.
It's oat pancakes and bacon this morning. Oh, thank you, Lord, for half answering my prayers.
Everyone's looking pretty excited.
Two non-snow must-dos while in Nozawa. Have a steamed oyaki bun, they're delicious. And jump in an onsen.
He's working hard to get the perfect shot.
Yeah, that film gonna suck.
O Shinto Buddha Lord, now, I know you know what bacon and eggs are, so just give a little, will you? Just a couple of eggs, a couple of rashers of bacon. Namaste.
Hash brown and egg would have been perfect with bacon,
I think the old Shinto lord's having a bit of a laugh.
I could see enough of him, that's for sure.
The Hokage base looking pretty as.
Heading down one of the Yamato runs. I'll work it out which one later. Top of paradise, looking like paradise. Happy little campers.
It's morning number 5. Now come on mate, you're starting to take the piss. It's pretty easy. There's a plate, a couple of bits of bacon, an egg, and I'll take care of the rest, the toast and condiments.
Sausages.
Ham and cheese omelette with sausages. We're getting pretty close.
That's what you want.
This is good and hearty, perfect for our rest day.
I want to film and...
Rob said he wanted to be filmed eating.
Here comes the aeroplane, Pete!
We're at the temple and Torii Gate at the top of Oyu Dori. Last year this was covered in snow.
Morning number 6. O Shinto Buddha Lord, thank you for yesterday's offerings of omelette with ham and sausages. Clearly you know what a chicken is, what a pig is, so we're getting really close to bacon and eggs. You can do it!
It's beef and cheese tortilla today, which could be energy giving. It's no bacon and eggs, but it's pretty good. How is it? Michaela, Lindsay Von, Schifrin, Emma, Ika, Cami Rast?
Very tasty.
Good. Banana Boy.
Nozawa Onsen, the Altitude Nozawa in 2026. Compare the amount of snow to same time last year. Big difference. Do the sun yoga move. Do the not the moon. Fuck. Do some more.
Nah, I'm done.
The warrior pose is that one.
That's a good one. Rob's doing the little retarded kid. No heating up your 2-minute noodles in here, peoples. Locals only.
The Ogama Onsen, where locals will cook different veggies and onsen eggs.
Going to Sparena for a nice warm bath.
from Nick for a while.
Who needs a break from who?
Filming.
This is locker number 1 for your shoes and whatever, and then you go through and pay. And there's another locker, apparently.
If you don't want to get your Jats crackers out for one of the public onsens, then Sparena is for you.
Now it's morning 7, big fella. Time to get it done. Bacon and eggs. Namaste. Praying really does work. It's bacon and eggs morning. Thank you, O Shinto Buddha Lord, Master of the Universe.
How's the power food? Ramen? Happy as? Who are you going to take out today, Budgie? Yeah, you going to get your camera working properly?
Happy campers having an early rest.
You got a sandwich behind there, Budgie?
Illegally.
You know you're not allowed to bring food in here. Put that map down.
Hey dude, thanks for yesterday's bacon and eggs. I feel we're respecting each other a bit now. Let's go for another hearty breakfast this morning. Namaste.
Ooh, got some bacon this morning. My prayer powers are developing. I'm like an apprentice Jedi. You can be my Princess Leia.
9th and final morning. Thanks for your breakfast efforts, Shinto man. They've been pretty good. I would have liked more bacon and eggs, but the stuff you've served up has been a-okay. But final morning, let's go out with a bang. Bacon and eggs, come on.
May have taken 9 nights, but I've now worked out the secret of the universe. Combination of breathing techniques, yoga positions, and rectal stimulation, and you can have anything you want. I'm surprised this man hasn't shared the secret with us, given the amount of rectal stimulation he gives himself. How did you like the bacon and eggs? They're unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Settle down.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.